Today we're working with drywall. It's called drywall because it's not like your mom when she sees me walking towards her. Yeah. We're gonna get our piece here. Yeah. Get our piece of drywall. We're gonna measure it and stuff. Measure it. What do we got over here? We got an outlet. This is a laser. Right. Laser. You gotta get your stuffing out of the way there. 2 foot 4 inches or 2 foot 5? No. 2 foot 4 inches. We're gonna need a pencil, alright? We got 2 pencils over here. In case one breaks. We got a pencil. It's 2 foot 4. So this has to go white side out. We gotta see how high it's up too, you know, how tall it is. 2 foot 4. Alright, 2 foot 4 and 1 foot 1. So it's going to go from this wall. You got to go up 1 foot 1. 1 foot 1 inch. And over 2 foot 4. In metrics, you know, who cares? Who cares what that is in metrics? I don't care. You shouldn't care either. That's it, we're done. That's enough work for today. We're done. Thank you. Stopping by. Look at that. Came out perfect. You know, absolute perfection. You know what I'm saying?